I'm Krishna. I'm having 10 years of industrial experience working for a global MNCs as a lead cloud engineer and database architect. Also, I'm having a 4 years of experience in a corporate training.
Hi everyone, welcome to KSR Data Vision EdTech. So today we are here to discussing about we are going to start a new batch. That new batch is about AWS Cloud Data Engineering with Python, Snowflake, MySQL, DBT, and a Snowpark using a Pyspark data frame style. Okay, so we are going to start a new this course from starting from November 23rd, that is this month next week. So we have provided a demo also on this last week. You can find that on our YouTube, and there are few other promotional videos also being released on this. If you have any questions, you can ask here. So today I'm here to discuss about what are all the topics we are going to cover, and also parallelly we will check that how much demand we have in the market, and we will go through few requirements which is being already in market right now, and we will understand how this technical stack is going to help you guys. Okay, so jumping onto the roadmap of this particular course, right? This training is going to suit for all the data engineers, data developers, data analysts, and who wants to switch their profiles from a different domains to a data analyst or data related jobs, or explicitly who are looking for an AWS engineering role or Snowflake developers role. So you can have a database engineers role. So those all roles will can able to fit in with this technical stack. Okay. So what and all we are going to provide. So we will be providing you end to end of each concept of the topics which you are seeing on the screen, and you will become an expert on that particular concepts. And also we will be performing a hands-on lab for each and every topic, and we will be having an assignments, and we will be grabbing that current market real-time use cases, and we will be implementing that as part of the training, and we will be learning what is the optimizations and the best practices. And throughout the sessions and an explicit sessions also, we will be talking about an interview questions, how interview questions will be. So we will be highlighting throughout the training where and all which points are very important to note down and understand that this can come up for an interview. And after the interview also, we will be after the training also, we will be having in a mock interviews and real-time questions. Okay, adding to that, who are all this course is going to be very helpful for the freshers as well, who are fresh passed out from an engineering, or who are into their fourth years or their last semesters who are looking to enter into an IT. So they can able to learn this one. So majorly SQL is something very mandatory for everyone who wants to enter into an IT. And cloud engineering, so one of the public cloud services areas, that is like either AWS, GCP, or an Azure. Okay, why AWS is the cloud leader in the market right now. Okay, and Python programming is also a mandatory now, so they should know when you come into a market. So when you learn this course, so when you compare yourself with one of your friends or your classmates, you will definitely stand out. And when you go for an interviews as a fresher, as an experienced, you definitely this particular things is going to help you to grab an opportunity in an interview. Okay, and also once you able to complete this training totally, you will be have a capacity of self-paced certification as well. Free certifications you can able to complete. So we will guide you that. So as a fresher, think that you are passing out of your engineering and you are into your last semester. So think that you completed this training and you are completed some free certifications, and having the certifications information on your resume is going to help you when you go for an interview. It definitely help you. So when you compare with others. Okay, and also we will be helping you to build your physical virtual presence on your LinkedIn, on Naukri, and how can you able to start posting your whatever you're practicing on this one, right? How can you post it on your LinkedIn? How can you grab the connections in a LinkedIn? How can you build a profile so that it help you to find plenty of opportunities in the market. Okay, so to the freshers, we will be helping out and we will be teaching them how the agile software life cycle will be working and waterfall life cycles will be working, how you will be working in a scrum environment, how you can able to write your articles on a Confluence and both on a LinkedIn pages, and we will be helping out to prepare your resumes, and how can you highlight on the points where you are expertise, and how can you put your experience and your interns everything on your resumes. Okay, so I don't go detail about all the topics here. So very high level, the topics we are going to cover is MySQL, We will be learning all the OLTP concepts, including from basic to advanced level SQL concepts we will be learning. And coming to Snowflake Cloud Data Warehouse, this is one of the major growing and which is lot of companies are using it and lot of opportunities we have in the market. So we will be learning Snowflake Cloud Data Warehouse. So kind of like how the architecture works, what is the SaaS there, what are the unique features, how you can clone the data, how can you deal with the different set of data formats, how can you deal with an unstructured data, how can you do inbound and outbound processing, okay, how can you connect to the different public cloud services, how can you do altering, how can you do tasks, how can you work on both batch processing and stream processing. Okay, similarly in the Python, how can you do a data processing writing a Python programming. So we will be learning numpys, pandas, and the file processings, and how operator works, how lambda functions works. So this all you will be learning. Additional to that, we have added from this particular batch onwards is called as a Snowpark, which is the latest ML feature being created by a Snowflake company. So here we will be learning how to write a Python programming, Pyspark data frame style programmings. Okay, in Pyspark data frames we will write. So like that, we will be able to write a data frames to read your data, okay, and process the data with easy programming manner. Okay, so that style of programming also we will be learning here. So Snowpark is also going to be an add-on over here. So who are already into market, they are 8 years, 9 years, or 3 years experience they already have. They want to switch their profile. They want to increase their salary by knowing it, in a high-end technologies, right? So Snowpark is going to be a really helpful for you with a Snowflake combination of a Snowflake, and you will be learning an AWS data engineering concepts also. Like you will be learning what is an S3, Lambda, Athena, or AWS Glue, EMR, step functions, Redshift, DynamoDB, many other services we will be learning as part of the data engineering. And DBT is one of the great transformation tool and having a great opportunities right now with the with combination of a Snowflake and different other tools, Redshift with the DBT. So there are different combos with the DBT is also there. We have a high demand in the market. Okay, so these are all the topics we're going to cover as part of our training, and you will be become an expertise in all these areas where you can able to find a lot of opportunities. Okay, let's find out how can we see this. There are opportunities on this technical stack. Okay, so I will be going to Naukri.com, which is one of the great job finding website for in India. Okay, so we know a lot of things happening on the Naukri or a LinkedIn also, right? So I'll take for this session, I'll take only Naukri.com and see how really this particular technical stack is going to help us. Okay, so let me put as a data engineer. Okay, so let's select data engineering or data analyst. Okay, so data analyst, and if you want to put a Snowflake AWS developer, let's put AWS developer and put Snowflake developer. Okay, so for now, let's take it as a fresher only. Okay, from here we'll start search and we will increase the experience, and we will see the opportunities also. Okay, so there are totally 1,225 it is showing. So if you put more data engineering level, so when I search explicitly on this all roles, it is taking unfilter of this ones. If you can reduce this, you can find many other opportunities also. So we will find that, not to worry. Okay, so now we will go here. So we'll pick one out of this one. So let's pick out artificial intelligence, GCP, Python, or let's go here. Or let me go one after one. So let me go. Let me take only data engineer. Okay, data engineer role, and then we'll go into rest of the one again. Okay, data engineering. Okay, so AWS data engineering. Cool. Let me open that. Let's go down and see. Let's pick few, and then we will start going through what exactly they're asking inside that. Okay, what exactly they need it. Okay, so let's go here. Agile, Oracle, business intelligence. Okay, go this one also. Okay, this one also will take. Okay, let's go and understand this. Sorry. Okay, so let's see what they are expecting here. Okay, data engineer, ETL and Python. Okay, so let's see what they are asking here. So they are looking for 5 to 10 years experience. Okay, So we'll have a for freshers also. There are a lot of other opportunities. Okay, we are looking for the person go to person who can define requirements, technical things, and data requirements. Okay, their requirements is on business intelligence majorly, who works as an individual contributor and experience is 5 to 8 experience. Let's go requirement technical details. Okay, so the technical details they are looking is 5 plus years of experience in analytics, Oracle, ETL, and Python. Okay, so Oracle is something is an OLTP databases. We are covering MySQL. So shares 98 percentage of both are same. So we will be learning. If you learn MySQL, you can cover Oracle as well. ETL concepts we will be covering as part of the AWS Glue. Harness Snowflake side we will be covering, and Python also we will be writing. So Python also we are covering. Strong coding experience in Python we are covering as part of our course. Okay, must have experience in managing and transforming big data sets using a Python Pyspark. So you will be learning this concept as part of the Snowpark. So we will be dealing with the big data sets. We will be writing that Pyspark code or data frame style, and we will be processing the data and loading into your different tables. Okay, must have experience on ETL and ML pipelines. So really not needed for everything ML pipelines. ETL is something is a mandatory. So what services they are looking? Glue we are covering, data pipelines we are covering, Lambda we are covering, EMR we are covering, Redshift we are covering, and RDS also we are covering. Okay, so experience in cloud model deployment using AWS services like a SageMaker, they have said. So it's a deployment model. It's not mandatory to know. So it's good to have it. So it's not must to have it. Okay, must have experience in Snowflake. So we are covering Snowflake cloud data warehouse, including we are covering a Snowpark also. Okay, hands-on with Python web frameworks. So developers who are looking into a website, so they need a Django or the Flask. Okay, so Git repository, we will be helping out to have a Git repository for everyone, and how can you check in your code into Git repository also we will be learning. Okay, Python codes we are learning, and customer on model evolutions or data models or other models we will be learning, and communication skills. Okay, so they are looking for this one. So let's go to the other one. Okay, what they are looking here as a data engineer, big data technologies, data lakes. We are learning data lake. How can you deal within a semi-structured data and unstructured data? CDC events. We are going to learn what is CDC and what is SCD. CDC while we learning the when we are doing a Snowflake streams, we will be learning that. And when we go into a DBT, we will be learning SCD also. So structured, unstructured data, we will be dealing schedule. We will schedule orchestrate at a different technology levels, like in Snowflake, in AWS, in DBT. We will learn this orchestration, everything. We will be learning CloudWatch logs, or the Snowflake logs, or the DBT logs. We will be learning log monitoring. Okay, and data scientist, application developer. So we will be learning multiple technologies as part of our this one also. Okay, so let's go here and see here what these guys are looking for. Big data engineering processing. So yes, we are doing big data engineering and processing as part of the Snowflake, as part of the AWS, as part of the DBT. We're doing a transformations, ETL designs and ELT designs, both we are doing in AWS and Snowflake. So we will be understanding what is data warehouses and what are databases and all we will be learning. As I said, you should know these guys are looking, see here, they are looking to have an agile and waterfall knowledge also. This also we are providing now. Okay, so and coming here, so they are looking for Azure or AWS knowledge. We are covering conceptual knowledge in Apache, NiFi, and a Snowflake. There is a plus. So Snowflake we are covering. So MySQL we are covering here. Python we are covering here, and we will be dealing with the use cases, which is like analytical and logic use cases. Okay, so we can see plenty of opportunities are there. Okay, so let's go quickly on one more thing. Is they we have any other use cases here? Okay, senior dentist and lead data engineer are smart. Okay, let's see here if there are any other opportunities are there. Okay, lead data engineer, Hadoop, data engineer, Agile, Spark, Python, SQL, and ingestions, senior data engineer. Okay, this one sees that AWS. Okay, you see here, they said that Snowflake with DBT experience is must. We are covering both. So they are asking either Java, Scala, Python, Pyspark, and a Spark SQL. Okay, so we are covering Python and Pyspark data frame style writing in a Snowpark is also we are covering, and they are explicitly asking is the AWS experience, no Azure, GCP, explicitly looking for Kinesis, Glue, RDS, Athena. that we are covering as part of this one. So Blue, RDS, and Athena we are covering, so we will able to learn those concepts. Okay, so with that note, I will wrap up this. So there are a lot of opportunities for a data engineers, both for a freshers, both for an experienced people who want to switch their profile or who wants looking for a more salaries and they want to move it into a cloud data engineering side. They will find a plenty of opportunities. Okay, as I said, at initially there is a new batch is going to start from November 23rd. That is like another 2 days. So there are first 5 sessions are going to be a free sessions. So you can join with us, go through our content and try to understand if it helps you to your career switch or your job profiling. So you can join with us. First five classes are going to be free. If you need more details, anything about the course or other different courses, or you have any questions on a career design, you can contact us on this number what you're seeing on a screen, or you can email us on this. We will come back to you and just leave us your best contact number. We will come back to you and we will be checking with you if you have any questions, and we will be helping out you to get the right opportunities and right learning path as well. Okay, so with that note, I'm wrapping up this video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned to the space. So you will be seeing more videos like this. Will definitely going to help your professional career. Thank you so much.